Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 9 of creating a kitchen table for my girlfriend for Christmas. Today's plan is to start gluing up the main table. Additionally, we might start trimming up the legs so that we can fine tune them and get them in exact form. All that being said, let's get into it. Alright, while we wait for the first glue up to dry, let's go trim some of the legs down. Alright, now that the first glue up is done, let's start the next one. Now that we have all of our legs trimmed and our second glue up is all set, I'll catch you guys tomorrow on day 10 of building a kitchen table for my girlfriend for Christmas.